Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we had finished up our list view builder in a state where we had the messages that a particular conversation has being displayed inside of our list view. And now in this video, before we distinguish the messages as being from us or the other user, what we're going to do is that we're going to link up our auth provider to our conversation page. So without anything further to do, let's get into it. So what I'm going to do is that firstly, I'm going to import our provider package. Once we have our provider package imported, the next thing we're going to import is going to be our actual auth provider. So I'm going to do import and then // and then providers and auth provider. With that, I'm going to do Alt-Shift-F command save. I'm going to come down to the function that is responsible for actually generating our conversation pages UI. So that is this function. And I'm going to firstly wrap our stack inside of a builder. So I'm going to copy our stack. I'm going to add a builder widget. The builder widget would give us a builder function with a build context being passed in as a function parameter. And I'm going to, inside of here, just return what was previously being returned. And with that, I'm going to add a semicolon, add a comma here, Alt-Shift-F command save. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the actual build function and I'm going to wrap our conversation page UI function called inside of a change notifier provider .value function. And then what I'm going to do is that for the value, I'll set it as our auth provider dot and then instance. And then for the actual child of our change notifier provider, I'll add in the function call. Then I'm going to add a comma, do Alt-Shift-F command save. I'm going to also define the type of our change notifier provider. So the type is going to be our auth provider. And with that, we can do command save. I'm going to come down to our builder function. I'm going to, inside of here, define a variable auth, and I'm going to set that equal to provider.auth, and then we are going to do underscore context. But we have to define the type of our actual provider, and that is going to be our auth provider. With that, I'm going to add a semicolon. I'll do command save, but before that, we have to define what auth is. So I'll go to the top of our conversation page state class. I'll create a new variable, which I'll call auth provider, and I'll set that equal to underscore auth. With this, we can do Alt-Shift-F command save, and hopefully now we should have access to our auth provider. So with that, what we can do is that we can actually determine if the message is ours or not. And to do that, what we would do is that we would go to the actual function that our list view.builder has for its item builder. And inside of here, we are going to create a new Boolean. And I'll call this Boolean is own message and message. And I'm going to set this equal to our message dot, and then the sender ID is equal to our auth.user.uid. And with this, we would be able to distinguish if the message is ours or not. And then what we can do is that we can pass in this is own message to actually our text message bubble here. And if I do Alt-Shift-F command save, hopefully one of the messages color is going to change, as you saw, because this message didn't come from us, it came from the other user. So with that, I'm going to end this video here, and now in the next video, we are going to further develop the styling for our actual conversation page. So with that, I'm going to end this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.